Hello everyone, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been a long time. I have just been doing life. I got a new job, so it's been taking a lot of my time. It's honestly like my dream job. I've just been putting so much time into it, and I put a seed back on YouTube, and I really wanted to film a part 2 for you guys on the Freya Treasures. I did end up getting my package, so we have that. I wanted to get into it. But first, I did want to say thank you to everyone who's been so supportive on that video, who's reached out to me on Instagram and asked about my story personally. And for any advice that I could give someone, I do try my best. But I did want to put a disclaimer out there. I was just someone who wanted to try out the company, who wanted to see if their influencer bit was actually real, and just have my own experience with it and see what happened. And I wanted to share my experience with everyone too, because I didn't have the best experience with them. Let's get into it. I did get my package, my 3 items, just like as a review. If someone didn't see the first video, I'm gonna pop it up on the screen right here. Go check that out first, and then it tells you all the details of how I found Freya Treasures on Instagram, how I reached out to them, my experience with them was, and at that time I didn't know if I was going to receive my package or not. So as a backstory, I did kind of freak out on them on Instagram because I wanted to kind of push them. I wanted to see if I would be able to get a reaction out of them. Definitely did. I don't know if I posted this before, and I wanted to post up here as well a conversation I had with them, asking them about my package and them getting kind of upset about it, that I was asking about my package, basically saying like, also all the people who were mad in the comments. I think I had one comment, the angry lady right here. I will pop it up on the screen. You can calm down now. Basically saying that, of course, you're a small influencer. Why would they want to reach out to you? Well, if that company has any morals, they would want to work with someone, and it's kind of like a give and take situation. Like, you help them, they help you. That's kind of what I thought it was all about with any of the companies that kind of, you know, do brand deals and whatnot. But yes, so I did pay a pretty penny for these items, $40 was the shipping cost, because they do give you a code to make all the pieces free, but you have to pay for shipping, and the shipping is not worth it. I'm gonna tell you right now. You don't have to skip through the video to figure out at the end. It's not worth it. I will show you the pieces that I got. This is a little package that I received. I delayed this video a long time, but I did receive this probably like a few months after I put in my order and became an influencer, which I'm actually going to speak on that as well, the influencer part. So I did receive my package, and I'll kind of show it up here. Please excuse my nails. I mean, it's cute. It's a cute package. It says Freya Treasures on it. Unleash your inner goddess. It says, congrats, you're a Freya angel now. So it kind of gives you that. This card is your passport. Take care of it. I just don't know what I would do with it. Like, am I gonna see these people in person? I didn't realize that I got 2 rings that are basically the same. But I did get 2 rings, and I got a bracelet. The bracelet is cute, and let's see. So it comes in like this little clear package, and this is the first ring. I'll go ahead and put it on. It does not fit me, so I think this one says a size 7. I am a size 8 in rings, so obviously that's probably why they don't fit me, but I thought I did order a size 8. I don't know why I would not order my correct size, but you can see it on my fat finger. I mean, it's cute, definitely. It doesn't fit because I think I received the wrong size, but the quality is Shein quality, I'm gonna have to say. It's not like $40 worth. I'll try to wear these rings around and see if I get that blue or green ring from it not being like real sterling silver. Here is the second ring. So here is the second ring. I'm gonna put it on so I can show you guys. This one fits. This one fits fine, but it says a size 7. Okay, this is cute. I'm gonna admit, it's super cute. It fits. I'm gonna wear it. I paid $40 for it. It's nice. It's, again, it's just the quality is not like something to go crazy over. Third one that I got is the bracelet. I didn't show you guys, but it did come in a little plastic wrapping. I'm gonna open it now. It does say stainless steel. So this bracelet feels nice. I wouldn't lie just because I had a bad experience with them on their product, because I just don't think that's right. I'm just trying to clamp it at this point. Here is the bracelet. I think it's super cute. It feels nice. I don't know if it's made out of the same material as the rings, because the rings just don't feel good on the skin as this does, I guess. It has like a cute little end pearl on it, and you can definitely tighten it with right here. I just put on the last one because I couldn't put it on myself. I'm definitely gonna wear this. I think this is so cute. So rating, 1 out of 10 is the rating. Say I would give it like maybe a 6 out of 10. The rings were disappointing, the wrong size, didn't feel that great. The quality was Shein quality. The bracelet was nice, so that's why the rating is higher than I would expect. It's super cute. I think all the pieces are pretty cute, the second ring, and it is my fault that I ordered 2 rings that are very similar, so I guess I didn't notice, or I was scared that I wasn't going to have the discount, so I kind of went through it very quickly. I didn't really take my time to see like what they had. I just remembered this bracelet on a post that they had, so I knew like I was getting this for sure. The rings were just like up in the air because I didn't know like how it worked at that time. Would I recommend this for people to try? I think that's definitely up to you. Use your best judgment. If you want to pay the $40 for the shipping and try to become an ambassador, that's what I do want to get into next, is the ambassador part. So they tell you that you're going to become an ambassador for this company. You get 3 free jewelry pieces and you pay the shipping. Shipping is $40 because they're international, so it's going to be a little bit, and it is going to take longer to get to you. They don't tell you that. So when you first start talking to someone, it's all robotic. And I mean, it sounds nice, it sounds legit. Excuse me. After you basically hop on board with giving them your information and saying yes to the offer, that's when it goes downhill. And that's when it went downhill for me. They gave me no guidance on like what's next, like what to send to your followers, and you know, like basically steps to become an ambassador, because obviously I'm like a small influencer. I wouldn't even call myself that. I just wanted to try something out like this and kind of see where it went. And with this, I just didn't get the guidance that I needed to become an ambassador, or what's next and what to do. And for the people who were reaching out to me, I got someone who was as young as like 13, 14, and then, you know, people my age, people who I knew personally, people who randomly did, you know, message me. And to everyone who messaged me, I'm so sorry it took so long as well to get back to you guys. Those messages go into like a private folder on Instagram, and it doesn't alert me when you guys message me whenever I go to my messages. And I don't go on Instagram right away, like every day, especially to my messages. I kind of just let them build up because I'm so busy during the day with work and doing other things that I've been juggling lately, so I haven't been able to respond to my messages right away. So I'm so sorry for everyone who had to wait on the responses, but I did to get back to everyone who was in the inboxes. With that being said, yeah, I would not recommend it for anyone who wants to become an ambassador, or for this company. I just think that their responses, like, they don't help you. If you already have the tools and you know what to do, then by all means, like, go ahead and try it, see if you like jewelry yourself, keep buying from it and promoting it, and do you. But me personally, I just don't want anything to do with Freya Treasures. I just think that they're out to get, you know, small creators and small influencers to pay that $40 to level up, you know, their pile of money and trying to scam people. I would say that's a scam, because they don't talk to you after that until you bother them and bother them in the DMs, and then they're rude to you and they give you attitude because you're basically calling them a scam, and then they're just like, oh, you need to wait for your package. Like, that's it. That's my experience with them. It wasn't a positive experience. So what I did tell a few people is, if you feel like you've been scammed and you don't get your package, and you know, like, they're not giving you the proper tools to return it, or you know, you're not satisfied with the product, dispute the charge with your bank. When you do that, you do have to have a new credit card or a new card on file. You're basically claiming fraud on your account. So if you do believe it's fraud, go ahead. And also, as a disclaimer, I'm just trying to help out people, to give them options on what to do in this situation. What I would probably do personally, which is, I'm just gonna keep the merchandise, take my loss, and move on to the next the next scam, I guess. I don't know. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I don't know their personal information. I've just received an email once I got tracking for the package, and it took forever to get. That's really it. I don't know what else to say about them. I'm just gonna take the L and move on. Thank you everyone who, again, watched my first video on my review with Freya Treasures, my experience and everything, and who will give lots of love to this video as well. If you guys have any questions, you can DM me on my Instagram, which I will put in the bio of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.